Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? What's going on this time? I think, my friend, you can see here in last 3 days, Hedera Hashgraph price will dumps down. So therefore, we will need to predicate this coin to upcoming time. Can Hedera Hashgraph will pumping up or dumping down more and more? So let's get started this brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. In last 3 days, you can see here minus 3.78%. The price is pails down. What's a big reason and what we will need to do, my friends, to be safe from loss and get a very good profit? Absolutely, this is very important for everyone. So kindly holders, don't do any mistake to starting selling, otherwise you will very badly lose. So please try to understand, my friend, and do this what I tell you. I hope you will get a very good profit. Minus 2.19% in last 1 day they will fares down, but if we check out in last 12 days, so you can see minus 1.93% they will lost now in last 12 hour. And you can see here just in only last 4 hours they will get a profit now. So that's mean to the pump is starting up now. You can see here completely they will pumping up. Definitely, if we check out the last 12 hours, so I'm going, my friends, to give you some very special information. You can see here after this dump they will pumping up. So just and only watch, my friends, what I am going to show you. As you can see, my friend, after this dump they will pump up, and after this pump they will again dumps down. So therefore, you can see here this is the circulation style. So if we check out the last 3 days chart, and last 3 days you can see, my friend, there is a lot of, you can see this type pump and dump. But I hope, my friends, they will also wake up and they will never give you a profit. So please try to understand to just and only change this also now. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. And this time, as you can see, my friend, every coin will moving in this circulation, and I hope at the last point they will give you a profit. So please hold it. If you know, my friends, to upcoming time they will give you a profit, then what are you doing? Please hold on. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price is going to be double now, and they will make you millionaire now. So why you will miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.